What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. Today we'll be doing a DIY installation for light bulbs. As you guys know, I've done quite a few LED light bulb installs on my cars, and I love doing them because they're easy to do, they're relatively inexpensive, and they make your vision much better at night when you drive. So definitely not a fan of the OEM halogen bulbs. Always recommend upgrading to your LED bulbs. Much brighter, lasts longer. So let's go ahead and do a little unboxing and show you guys the car we're working with today. Okay, the car we're working with today is my father-in-law's 2008 Honda Accord. So this car came stock from the factory with some halogen bulbs for both low beam and high beam. And it wasn't until recently when I drove this car at night that I realized how dim they were and not safe at all. So big thank you to AutoOne for sending out some LED bulbs. Let's go ahead and unbox it and get to installing the bulbs. Okay, so here's the box. I already went ahead and wrapped it. And if you guys are wondering, for your Honda Accord 2008, the bulbs you'll be needing is a 9005 and 9006 if you're looking at replacing both low beam and high beams. So they provided some gloves for installation, very nice. You have your instruction manual and your bulbs. So you have your 9005 and the 9006, the low beams and the high beams. And again, these are plug and play. So what that means is direct replacement for the halogen bulbs. No splicing of wires needed, just plug and play. Okay, so very first step, you're going to go ahead and pop your hood. Alright, so you have your hood propped. So let's go ahead and replace the driver's side first. So we'll be replacing the low beams right here and the high beams. Let's start with the low beams first. So low beams, you feed your hand in there, it's going to be right over here. You guys might notice there's quite some stuff in the way. If you have small enough hands, you can fit your hands through. Otherwise, I would also recommend removing some stuff right here, like the battery and intake box, some of this stuff right here, just to make more space for yourself. And for the passenger side, it should be a lot easier. Passenger headlight. Only thing that's really in the way is possibly your windshield wiper fluid, but should be able to fit your hands back there. And one trick that I've learned over the years, on some cars you can fit your hand through here. On the 2008 Honda Accord, quite a bit of stuff in the way. So another way you can do it is have your wheel, turn your wheel so they have more clearance, feed your hand underneath, and once you pull the fender liner out, you can get easy access to this low beam bulb right here. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have the wheel all turned. Now the fender liner, you're just going to bend it down. If there's clips, remove the clips. And come check this out. From the fender liner, you might be able to see inside. It's kind of dark, but you'll be able to reach inside the fender liner and remove the light bulb. So let me go ahead and do that. So you just feed your hand in. You'll feel a wire. You want to turn it lefty loosey, just like that. I can feel it come out. So I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I have it dangling right now. I have it dangling, and I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. Alright, there you have it. So bulbs are out, and this is the low beam. Alright, so here's the bulb that we removed, and on the bulb it shows the part number. So this is 9006. It's kind of small, but 9006, and you want to match it to the 9006 bulb over here. So this is the replacement halogens, LEDs, direct replacement. Make sure it's the 9006, and yeah, it's supposed to fit right on. So let's go ahead and swap it out. Okay, so if you guys can see right there, this is that little adapter that you want to be able to connect it to. So right now I'm going to go ahead and feed the off-the-market LED bulb. I'm going to connect it. And if you can feed both hands in there, that's better because it's pretty tight. Alright, so you want to feed it through like that. And you want to make sure to get it tight, so you want to righty-tighty. Make sure it's nice and snug in there. Okay. Alright, so now before I put everything back together, I'm going to switch it on, make sure that works. Perfect. Okay, so right now I'm going to switch it on. You're going to see a difference between the new LED as well as the halogen bulb.
Wow. Huge difference.
Okay, so we have the low bulbs replaced, a lot brighter. So for the high beam bulb, you can reach it right from over here where the battery is. High beam right here. Alright, and we have the high beams in. Let's go ahead and switch it on and show you guys the difference. It's a world of difference. So much brighter, crisp, bright, 6000K versus the stock halogen bulbs. Right now I'm going to knock out the other side, both low beam and high beam, super fast and easy. So stick my hand inside fender liner. You want to go ahead and lefty loosey, twist it. Only thing is on these Accords, on these 8 gens, it's kind of hard. You have to just feed your hand in there, can't really see. And I got it out. Go ahead and unclip it. Okay, there you go. Wipe out.
Yeah, no more. Too old.
Okay, so clip, and right now you can put it in here. Let's feed it in. Beam 9005, super easy. So high beam, take a look over here. You can just put your hand in the engine bay. Just feed it right here. Much less stuff in the way compared to the low beams. Just feed your hand, twist it. There you go, lefty loosey, your bulb comes out. Okay, press. There you go. And one more look. LED versus halogens. There's a fan in these LEDs. They last longer, they are brighter, crisp bright 6000K versus yellow halogens. Yeah, all done. So much brighter.
I'm gonna turn on the
And high beams as
high
well.
beams. Here we go. Good job.
A big thank you to AutoOne for sending out these bulbs. Like I said, super easy to install. Takes you literally 5 minutes. Brighter, lasts longer, and you can do it on any car. So whatever your car is, you can go to the website, type in your year, make, and model, and purchase it. Alright, so all done with the LED bulb install, both low beams and high beams. I'm glad to say that my father-in-law as well as my wife, really happy with the results. They came out to see the car and all smiles. Like I said, he was complaining that it's pretty dark at night driving those halogen bulbs. So this will make a drastic difference. I'm going to get some at night shots later when the sun sets so you guys can see a difference. If you guys made it this far, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you guys want to check out their stuff, make sure to hit to the website or Instagram page to purchase your bulbs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.